flight. Controls in our hands tonight. Modules here and there unite. Building systems feeling right.
Tommy in pain, how...
No hand holding, we're in flight.
Are those two bears?
Controls in our hands tonight. Modules here and there unite. Building systems feeling right.
Why are there four bears?
AI isn't good at counting.
Did they multiply to write bears?
I mean, 8.
AI errors, we are all doomed.
The archway, Linux here to stay all day. Pac-Man down, lose no delay. Make it yours with no
Anyone heard of
dismay.
social AI?
Rolling updates, keep it fresh. Arches beating all the rest. Code it up, you know the test. Minimalist, we're feeling blessed. Arch Linux on the go. Custom setup, it's a show. Fast and sleek is how we roll. Baltimore vibe, we hit our goal.
I think I heard about that today. Visit the Allbot platform, so you just talk to your bots. How kind of interesting.
Config files we tweak in time. Open source, it's so defined.
I want to see how it works under the hood so badly.
Every feature tailor-made. Freedom's ours, no masquerade. Arch Linux on the go.
I got a Epic Inbot raid yesterday, my stream has peaked Kappa.
Fast and sleek is how we roll. Baltimore vibe.
Like, does it run on device, or does it require a few NVIDIA H100s?
Hand-holding, we're in flight. Controls in our hands tonight. Modules here and there unite. Building systems feeling right.
Or did you hack the golden kappa?
No hand-holding,
Bagel
we're
in hell.
flight. Controls in our hands tonight. Modules here and there unite. Building systems feeling right.
How do I get pumped up for a code stream?
EasyU code on a 2012 non-Retina MacBook Pro. That way the warm laptop could cook your thighs.
Why did you give Sergeant Pepper a golden cuppa?
That MacBook is from 2019.
Oh, yeah. Boom, boom. Oh, God. Oh, God. What is this background we've got? Nice vintage Mac.
Time in the saddle with a cup of coconut oil infused coffee, blasting energizing music.
Hey fam,
Porque Maria
chicken
by
fingers or
Ricky
hot
Martin,
spicy wings?
while reviewing the startup articles. Eliminate HR department distractions and dive into the code with the speed of 1,000 animals. Remember, efficiency is the...
Okay. I'm down. Now, let's see if we can get a screen going. Boom. We got some code here. We created 2 new songs. Efficiency's leaving mid-sentence, 100%. He just was done. I can see... Trying to be a Fedora degen. Not bad.
Time in the saddle, my friend. It's all about embracing the chaos and bringing some extra spice to the mix. Just like how I tackle bad code with a dash of humor and a whole lot of energy. Plus, who doesn't love a good golden kappa moment?
I like a good golden kappa moment. Now, we want to improve that today so we can, first of all, make sure they're generating maybe multiple at once. And second, we need to have the characters appearing better, you know what I mean, like on screen. They're all doing one just yesterday. Hey, no problem, Sergeant. Good to see you streaming, you know. If you keep streaming, you get more rates. So what I'm thinking is we have to separate out the different characters, Teach, Prime, all of our AI friends. They need to be their own source in OBS that we can affect here. I'm a Linux Mint shy first timer. Ooh, Linux Mint. All right. Are we allowed to NeoFetch anymore? Mint's very comforting. Yeah, it looks kind of comforting. I've never used it here. Okay, so let's first find the code where it goes here. I think if we look inside of our AI scenes, this is going to be... Oops, wrong file. AI scenes handler. Right here. And this thing does too many things, honestly. A bunch of this should be in different files, which we might want to start doing now to make our lives easier, because look at this weird combo of stuff. But this right here, voice-to-face image, this is going to need to also return the, what do you call it? I guess the scene name, you know? Wait, how do you get that? How do you get that badge? How do you get that badge? You can buy it? How do you buy it? This is going to need to also return the source in OBS here. So maybe let's separate this thing out because it does a little too much here. Let's see if we can warm up today. Talk to the AI god, see if they're friendly. Hey, what's camera? Just, if you buy a ticket to TwitchCon, that seems like a scam. That seems like a scam. I need to get rid of this green bar. It's going to bother me. They're selling badges. That seems illegal. Okay. So, this is my AI scene.
Surely you will be in San Diego this weekend.
Wait, it's this weekend? No. TwitchCon's this weekend? That's too soon. That is right now. Also, why do you need to buy tickets? Can't you just like go to? Do I have to do that? Block party? Can't you just go? I just need to get someone to drive me down there. I gotta get someone to pick me up in LA. Just someone's got to come pick me up. That's all. Yeah, just yeah. I wouldn't get a ticket. Who else is going? Are Prime and Tej and Melky going? They're my AI friends now. This is why I'm automating them, so I don't need to go to these things anymore. Okay, real quick. I don't think we... This is me trying to fuck around with some empty sync business here.
But you don't have me automated.
Not yet. We're going to automate the system to automate people. That's the goal. So ideally...
Melky's overrated.
Well, he's not streaming anymore. He went to Africa, so now I got to automate him. The idea is, though, is we're going to automate the automating, right? Meaning that I would be able to give a picture and a voice sample and then be able to have any character then appear on the screen. Once we get there, we're really going to start automating friends a lot quicker. Maybe we'll start automating enemies at that point. Now, I do have a bit of code right here in this AI scenes handler about whether the sync is empty, and it's just a bunch of little code that I don't care about any of this. This is even used.
Dibs being an enemy.
It's stupid. Dibs on being an enemy. Okay, that's not a bad idea. We do have evil characters. I can make you evil. If you don't know, the two characters to being evil is, I guess, being a little sarcastic, and then that's what I assume, and then also reverb on your voice. So I had a little bit of reverb. Moki is junior in Russian. Is that really true? So I don't really think I need this code right here around syncing at all at this current juncture. So I'm going to get rid of it. And then I'm going to try... I always think...
sarcastic. I think evil me would be the opposite.
You might be the evil version of yourself is what you just figured out.
Unless I'm evil already, Bad Cop 3 thinking.
Bad Cop 3 thinking.
Apparently social AI is iOS exclusive.
That's pretty evil. What's up, Roasted? How are you?
What up, again?
Crying BC, I can't generate haters.
We're going to generate haters, don't worry. So I guess the first thing we're going to do is just see can I shove this all just inside of an async function and call that. Is that allowed?
People tell me I'm chaotic neutral.
Neutral. Neutral. Run AI scene.
Those people are probably mid.
And I guess I'm just going to go like this and take all the way to right around there, right? Because we don't want to go inside. We've got, I think we grabbed one too many parentheses, but that's okay because we'll just get rid of it at the bottom. There we go. So I stole all that. Let's see what it's mad about. I need to say async func. I had AI songs already. Song 70s. Smooth rock song. Male singer Steely Dan about coding rust on a boat on the ocean. And then we'll set the theme to be Steely Dan Ocean. And we're pretty much there. Soon I'll have searching on my old songs, which, we got to see if we actually are saving genres. We are saving, we can pre-populate our old database. Or we can populate our database with the old song info, because we did save all the songs. We can look them up. I was blasting music yesterday after I got off stream. Okay, so right here, this doesn't take self yet here, but I can pass some of these things inside here. So first, let's pass the pool. Pass the pool. And get rid of self. We do not have an AI request here, so we're going to actually add that as well. AI scene rec. There we go. Update this pool again. Then down here, you're saying, oh, sorry. Scene rec. We're saving the west. Since we didn't say west.
On a boat on the ocean.
On a boat on the... Exactly. That's the theme. Let's see. AI scenes. No, AI scene rec.
It looks like you're wearing your shirt inverted.
I might be. Oh, wow. Look at that nice scene in the back there. Look at that. Now, this is SQL XPG pool. And then down here, this is saying we don't know about 11 labs. Well, what if you did know about 11 labs? There is no loop here, so this is just a return. Let's get 11 labs up in this mix. There we go. Let's see. Down here, it's upset about the pool once again, but don't worry. Don't be upset anymore. And then down here, a bunch of stuff. Now we've got locked... Oh, ooh, this is where it could get dangerous, okay? Locked OBS client. And then here... the face. I was going to say return okay to get this thing. So locked client and locked OBS client are the two things that are upset. So quickly, I want to run this ideally right around here. And see, here's where I'm creating these. Can I do this just inside the function? Do I have to do it on the outside here? That's a question I have. I wonder. So first, I'm going to steal all these. Go to the top of this function. Paste them in. Then, I'm going to get rid of the selfs and import a Twitch client and an OBS client.
Begin, what's your McDonald's order?
I'm going to McDonald's. Quarter pounder with cheese of some sort. Probably. Probably fries of some sort. Truthfully, I'm going to base my order entirely off of what toys I get. Can you actually skate begin, or are you a Thrasher poser like me? Oh, see, look at CC. I got what toy I'm going to get. So I base things off the toys. So, you know, there's some toys. There's another one, you know what I mean? You know, but yeah, so I'm based off the toys here. I suck at skating right now, but I do skate around.
This guy McDonald's.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the toys. That's what I'm into. Okay, OBS Twitch client, and Twitch client, and then OBS client. Everyone chill. Everyone cool here. We're all cool. Now you're using these things.
McDonald's toys are the original NFT.
Oh, 100%. 100%. I saw a book when I was a child at the library that had a list of all the McDonald's toys. I saw them all listed out there in a row, and I said, I got to get all those. And that was at the library. If you didn't know, you can go to the library, and there's usually a section.
They don't have toys in UK McDonald's because of children's advertising.
What?
Stopped in 2007, I think.
That should be criminal. I don't know if you just saw the new McDonald's glasses.
ODST with this edge detecting outline.
These just came out with the McDonald's too. You know what I mean? But they're controversial because you could only get the glass ones. No, not these ones. The newer ones. These ones. You could only get the glass ones in Canada. In America, you couldn't get them, and then they also were sold out the very first day. You know what I mean? God damn
I
it.
love Danny's saga to get the Hello Kitty one.
Oh, I missed this actually. Yeah, these ones. Look at this. Pretty good stuff here.
Books or puzzles, no one.
They had a Snoopy one. They had a Shrek one. Jesus, come on now. I prefer just the Nugget Buddy culture in general. Books or puzzles, that literally is a crime. That is so sad. Whoever did that, vote him out of office. Okay, so after the loop, we've asserted that we do have an AI scenes request here. So I'm going to say run AI scene and pass all that stuff in here. And everyone's going to be cool with it. It's going to be like a really popular decision I made. Also, let me make sure these are selfs. These are not self speaking. What is wrong with you? Why didn't you add them all at the same time now?
Grimace Shake must be a case study in marketing classes now.
100%. Literally. Oh, whoops. I'm also not going to do this. Or this. Or this. I'm slowly making more decisions that could have all been one easy one. At shelf dot. There we go.
At my desk at work, I have a photo of Grimace at the fall of the Berlin Wall.
Really? Is that true? Yeah, I'm not joking, but a lot of people know that I'm insane. But every single week, pretty much once a week, I go on eBay and I look at McDonald's toys. I don't buy any right now here. What's up, Yashkin Code? But I just checked the prices, okay? I'm seeing where Nugget Buddies are going up and down. How much does it take to get a complete collection from 95? The Halloween collection, I mean, we want to see. I want to just see where the prices are going. I'm not making a move in the market,
How many Beanie Babies do you have?
My Beanie Baby collection, I just got the best one. That's all that matters. And do you know what the best Beanie Baby is? Where's our man when you need him? Also, remember, people always like to say Beanie Babies aren't valuable. It's like, literally, study Beanie Babies.
How much is the collection?
People do not realize that they are talking about, like, later generation Beanie Babies when the market got flooded. Gen 1 is still worth a lot, and it's actually fucking rare, okay? So try and look at the Gen 1s. You can't get one, okay? All right, I'm going to get rid of all of this. One more of these.
I remember old women fighting at stores over
Oh,
them.
yeah. See, people don't realize one of the big keys to the early Beanie Baby days is they had them distributed at so many random little places here, You collect Pokemon cards? I don't, but I am interested in the culture. You know what I mean? I don't collect Magic the Gathering or Pokemon cards. Little brother's a Magic the Gathering card collector. We have a rule. We're not ever allowed to have the same hobby. So if he gets anything, I'm not allowed to be into that. That's just how it goes. He got Magic. He gets Pokemon cards. Just the rules. Never have brothers share hobbies. That's not good. That's dangerous. Okay. If this crashes, we just want to loop again. And we expect... we really expect the error.
I wish I could collect things. I want to. It seems fun, but it never is for me.
No, Cam. Collecting is not fun. Collecting is not fun. It's a torturous drug that you're given. The need to collect things is terrible. I have it with everything. Look at everything around me are just collections of things. Look at just Pope memorabilia, collections of things. Garfields everywhere. This is not good. You don't want to live in this knick-knack lifestyle. Look at it. Do you want a Rubik's Cube that, based off your fingers, how like sweaty they are, the colors change, you can solve it? You don't want this. Okay? You don't want this life. It's not good. Magic's a bullshit game. Anyway, it caused me so much rage. No. Not a broken game. No.
What is that Rubik's Cube low on?
That Rubik's Cube is one that, it's like, I don't know. Oh, look at that. There's a mini cube,
I collect
too.
collections.
Look, you can't
I have
see.
one thing from every collection.
Oh, I like that. I'm a big fan of collecting collections. Yes, big fan of that. Big fan. Okay. I'm running the scene now. It's all moved inside here, so I could probably start making this a little bit better, because that's a messy function. That is a messy... Also, why did my song play? What happened? I asked for a song earlier, and I feel like it never came. I feel like I was being jerk here.
Where can I get that large Rubik's Cube? So dope.
Anime figure collection. Yeah, exactly.
Anime figurine.
Okay, let's see if
Collection.
Collection. It's a collection, okay?
So collecting is masochism?
Yeah, no, it's something, it's like a little disease you're born with. You know what I mean? I have multiple memories of, I get so obsessed with something, I can't stop thinking about it, and I have to look at every version of it. It's not a fun thing. You know what I mean? I've gone to a spot.
Would always gift them to me in high school.
Oh, nice. I would go to I get into one particular thing. You know what I mean? I'll spend all my time on the internet collecting images of it, saving those images into folders, putting them into a database. So I've got one of every image of it. You know what I mean? I just want to collect it, the info. It's not fun. Okay? I want to sleep at night. I can't sleep at night because all of a sudden your brain goes, wait, what about? Okay, back to business.
Like real OCD, got it?
Yeah, it's not fun. It's not fun.
It's a type of addiction.
Yeah, and it happens. And guess what? Then there's people around me, right, who have to deal with these consequences because once I get into something, I'm going to just talk about it all the time. You know what I mean? You know what I'm going through right now? No one's happy about it, okay? But look at this. And then the problem is right now, is this is not all of them. But you see how many old episodes of Johnny Carson you can watch right here? Do you see this? Do you see if you start hyperfixating on this? This is not good. This is not good. No one wants to sit around me and be like, no, Flip Wilson's on this one, guys. You got to see it. They're not happy about it. But this is what I'm hyperfixating on these days. Not good. Not good. Just want to watch Johnny Carson. Got to watch every episode, though. You know what I mean? Got to categorize them. Got to learn more. Dude, Diana Ross, Burt Reynolds, okay, Jay Leno, okay.
Exciting career. Every
But look at the problem is that I go to this website and I'm just obsessed with the episodes that are missing now. And so now I got to collect the episodes that are missing first. And once I get those, then I can start watching them all. Okay, sorry.
The episode with Rodney Dangerfield is legendary.
Rodney's been on a couple times. It is awesome. Okay, for the lore. Okay, we're going to say song. Burt Reynolds. I'm not joking. Roasted DB. I am so into Burt Reynolds now. Now that I've realized from
Twilight
watching
Zone?
Johnny
Good
Carson, Burt Reynolds knew he was like breaking the fourth wall of I'm a funny, sexy guy all the time. I didn't realize. I thought he became ironically funny like that, but I didn't realize that in the moment he was that guy. He's so awesome. Bigger fan of him now. But you watch a movie, it's one thing. When you watch him being himself on these shows, you get a little, you know what I mean?
That dirty old man with the mustache.
Oh yeah, that's him. Twilight Zone. I could probably end up hyperfixated in Twilight Zone, but I haven't watched any Twilight Zones. 0 at this point, so I got to watch out.
Bandit, he looked at the camera at the perfect moment.
He's literally kind of like the original Ryan Reynolds. It's really, I'm not even joking. Like the vibe you kind of get if you watch him. Like I guess like I don't know. Is Ryan? I think Bert's sexier because the mustache. I think that's how it works. That's what I've been hearing.
Burt Reynolds.
No, really, that's awesome. That's sick. You know who also wore a wig that's awesome is Andre Agassi after he went bald. That's super cool. Okay, song. We're going to say 80s television theme song about a family that programs in Rust and uses Arch Linux. Let's see how the theme songs work while I'm honestly making progress, I swear.
I heard Prime wears a wig, and he's actually bald, including mustache.
That could be true. Other mustaches I've seen, they change over time. His is almost too perfect. Usually you see some sort of evolution or something. His is a little too perfect. Okay, so we're finding modes here, finding the voice here. Twitch chat file name. What is this? I don't understand what this file name is. Twitch chat. Why are we saying? Why is it really a file name? It is.
Prime's interview with DHH was so overstimulating. LOL.
Oh, dude,
but
I'm
damn,
like,
is his energy contagious?
Obviously, I'm a mega DHH fan. Which it's still up here. I got a clip here where he says my name wrong. I just keep being too lazy, but we've got some footage in here of him saying my name wrong like 4 times, never saying it right. So I got to cut that. I'm excited, but yeah, I watched DHH and I'm like, I feel this guy. Yeah, exactly. I got Deegan Bob, Vegan Bob. I like it was always Bob. He couldn't get bot. Oh man. Okay, so this is a saving.
Play it.
I gotta find it in this whole clip though.
Arch is so hard to install. I tried but failed.
Let me see. How do I get this to unmute?
What time was that? I want to watch.
I don't. It was sometime. I think I told the
Play it now.
Why isn't it doing it?
He
oh, here you go.
Code. He doesn't have time to say your name properly.
God dang it. Well, there it is.
It's such a joy to come on. I've been returned in anger. Your video for you guys. Language.
Yeah. We're glad to have you. As part of video comes. This is why and it's just
language
and it's just like and then your source and grouping.
If that makes a difference.
Keep going with that, and I will.
Last used Vim in anger, and then motions the language. That was what you were last year.
One second.
Somewhere.
Or Discord more.
Tej does it.
Doesn't seem
Yashinko, thank you for the follow.
On the tab Prime, you got to have a separate scene.
It's
good right now, so we're just
last used Vim in anger.
God dang it.
And enjoying your videos and getting up to speed with all
for you next time. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, it's somewhere. I gotta find it later. Okay, so we gotta find the VOD and reclip it again. God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna ask Prime. We can just ask Prime to give it to me. I'll use AI to find it for me. But I need to find it. The chat will find it. Yeah.
The chat will find it for you.
Yeah, thank you. The chat. Also, I like the emphasis you put on there. That was nice.
Damn it.
Look at like this. I got IDs, but they're not downloading. I think I've messed up something in my generating of songs, even though I generated songs right before I started. So I'm gonna do a quick restart just in case. And then I'm going to say download and see if we can even get a download on here. And then we'll start doing some digging. The queue is working lovely. There we go. Attempting to download. It was kicked off a minute ago, so it should have been created. I could be getting flagged for the Steely Dan thing.
I have creator dashboard for Prime's channel. Let me find
Oh, you do, Cam? Yes, good. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Steal it for me. Do I have that? I'm a mod over there. I think I can. What power does that give me? Okay. So this is the syncing of the lips and the playing of the syncing of the lips. So I really need to separate this out, and really I just need a voice here. I start with it's not a voice. I start with a scene. I need to look up the scene inside of a database probably. And there should be information associated, whatever, with that, right? So let me take this, and I'm going to say async function. Let's see, build face scene request. It's really what it is.
Good work, Cam.
Oops. Okay, well, whatever. I'm remembering how to type. There we go. What? You're already getting a good work just because you said you would go in there. Okay, Cam, you're being encouraged. We want you to succeed here. I'm going to call this voice instead of final voice. And really, this returns back a face image. So we'll have this be a string. And we will say face image. Because this is an option. Well, this is returning a result here. And so there is, okay, I remember like debating this results wrapped in options a little bit earlier. I could have this be okay, also I want to start using trouble today too, which I think is
AMD or Intel?
AMD right now. Am I going to regret that? Probably. The trait bound borrow stir is not satisfied. The trait borrow stir is not implemented for string.
I was wondering, do you think AI could get advanced enough to say, invent an Elvis-like performer that captures people like he did?
Yes, Kaz. We're going to get there. We're going to get there today.
I just searched up Burt Reynolds lol. I thought you were talking about Tom Selleck lol.
They're close. Burt Reynolds is like funnier. Let's see. Did I lose? Okay. Let's see. How do we get better error information when programming Rust with NeoVim? Could trouble help? Okay. What? This returns a reference. The key may be borrowed form of the map's key type. Can I be stupid and just make this a string and borrow here? And everyone's cool with that. Okay.
What if there was a Carlay, but it wasn't very helpful?
Well, that's what we're getting toward this time as well. Look, I think this song they're mad at us about. Where's my Suno? Maybe because I Steely Danned it. Well, I should have saved the information about it. See, these are the last ones I did. Bam, bam. Okay. Also,
Oh wait, I forgot about Carl Vanderbot.
Yeah, turn them on. Also, did I lose Teach? Did I? What is everything? Are things breaking, or am I losing my mind? Yes, is the answer. Look at it. It did do that. I might have broken it still. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay. Song, 70s smooth yacht rock song about Neovim. So this will return back what we need. If I go down to here, this will be final voice. And do I want an error? Not necessarily. Let's see. Let face image equal. Get rid of all of that. Gotta await this thing. Now, right here, well, this is not just, well, this is AI scenes right now. The problem is there's two different things here. This is building a face scene request. But at this point, if we don't have a face image, we're saying we don't have a face image. We're matching it. We're running either side of the command. So it's okay. We don't need to unwrap it.
Absolutely. You can use the Trouble plugin in Neovim for a better error information experience while programming in Rust.
Okay.
It provides a quick and convenient way to navigate through errors and warnings. Remember, always check the Rust
This Teach is really
first for any troubleshooting, and just like Lightning McQueen, speed is key, both in typing and coding.
Hell yeah. Thanks, Teach. Okay, great. So we've got a little
Extremely cursed WUTF.
It's pretty good, pretty good. Cursed. No, that's good. It's good.
Permanently excited.
Okay, the problem is this is
I don't know, man. I think it's an improvement. Kappa.
Yeah, it might be. Dude, you got golden Kappa. Right here is returning back a result string because it's an async function. This is always an option.
Can we turn up the 3D?
This unwrap is the problem here. Turn up the 3D. What does that mean? What does that mean, Carl? Also, Carl, if you want to set a theme, you can do that. There we go. Finally.
The ocean's breeze, the secrets found in lines of code, deep and profound. Neoville sails with whisper sound.
There we go.
On waves of silence, tech does abound. Keys clack like seagulls by the shore. Syntax clean, no need for more. Python dreams on this ocean floor. Then takes the reins.
This is an option, which is fine. This is not going to return an error, though, right? So, turning it from, I should just keep it wrapped. So here I'll say okay. I'll just wrap it here. Then down here, this is me unwrapping it. This is me doing the match. Because this should be an option. Okay, now this. Okay, final voice. The problem is I use here.
Well, thanks for stream begin.
Later, hola. Borrow it instead.
British bedtime.
Lucky. Wait, but then I'm saying. But this is going to consume it. If I clone it.
I don't have the technical ability, but I
yeah, we got trouble.
I trained on data prior to 70s and see if it can come up with 70s on its own.
See, check it out. Look at.
Trouble?
Absolutely. You can use the Trouble plugin in NeoVim for a better error information experience while programming in Rust. It provides a quick and convenient way to navigate through errors and warnings.
Thanks, Teach.
Remember, always check the Rust documentation first for any troubleshooting, and just like Lightning McQueen, speed is key, both in typing and coding.
Thanks, Teach. That was helpful.
Please let him blink next time.
How about we right.
This Teach looks like he should pull up in a windowless van.
Right. You know, when writing the code tonight, ocean-wide coding feels so right. NeoVim guiding with a gentle light in the moon's global right. Blinks like stars on twilight sea.
Set volume doesn't even need voice.
Extensions blend like the salty breeze, opening files like mystery's key. Tidal commands flow from my hands. Indentations crisp like drawn sands. In this code software logic stands. Dreaming in code fueled by shifting strands. Can sail away with the code tonight.
Damn it. What am I not understanding here, right? Because I've got this one here. It's because I'm using the voice down here. And I'm not allowed just to clone it. Come on. Avante, help me out. Oh, cloned here. That's the problem. There we go. Great question, Fruit School.
You made it return an option. Don't have you to put the return from get in a sum.
Thank you. Okay, lovely. This is the old way we were generating images. This should be a separate function, but I also want to make all of this shorter. We're gonna say async function, trigger movie trailer. So what are we gonna want from this? We want the AI scene request. You want the locked. Local
As much
audio
as I love
path.
a good whale of a time, my heart belongs to the blazing fast killer whale.
Whoa!
They know how to hunt, communicate,
Whoa.
and travel with speed and precision, just like my coding skills. Plus, their family bonds remind me
Wow.
of my own herd of 100 kids.
Wow.
And farm full of animals.
That's crazy. Alrighty. Who would have known he would have said that? Not me.
Like story up with the coach into you.
You think one day AI will take over the stream? That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the dream. Oh, whoops. That didn't go there. That went here. Wow, this song's good. Automate the means of production. Exactly.
In this code surf where logic stands, dreaming in code fueled by shifting strands. Sail away with the code tonight. Ocean-wide coding feels so right. The open guiding with a gentle light in the moon's glow.
Why'd the song stop? I was enjoying that. Hey, AI, stop that. Give it back. Give it back. Why are these songs 4 minutes? Look at this one. It came out 4 minutes for some reason. I did not extend it. What is going on? Suno. Suno. You charge me for that, bro? Oh, here, watch. I can actually just go to an old song, too. Because we can't get DMCAs anymore. No more DMCAs. No more DMCAs. Hip-hop rapid fire intense. Hip-hop rapid fire. Quirky synth pop. Oh, I'll check out the quirky synth pop. I think download will work if I say download in the chat and then I give it a UID. There we go. Also, let's see if this works. If I say info, yep, it's playing. How do you feel about your old past of using a Mac? Still use one sometimes here. You know? Still use one. But I like my desktop Arch better. But Mac's least cooler than Windows. Huh. Oh yeah, Frylock. Will that work? Locked Twitch client. Oh, I thought it was that. Oh. We wanted this. We found a crazy Mutex one. Can I go like this? There we go all the time. Now we can just let it bubble. Oh, thank you, Cam. That's okay. We got something. The best day of my life.
From you.
Yeah. Thing to have you on this stream. Thank you so much for being here.
Can we get a shout out to VeganBot in the chat from you?
Yeah.
He'll freak out. Deegan Bob?
Deegan Bob.
No,
Vegan
sorry.
Bob. Vegan bot.
Vegan Bob? Shut up, Vegan Bob. And
Close
Vegan
enough.
Bob. Maybe there's a Vegan Bob too.
Close
Oh
enough.
my God.
Keep out Vegan Bob here in case he's feeling missed. No, that's great. Yeah.
So Deegan Bob. Okay, fine. I'm changing my name. See, look how good his camera looks too. Here, Cam. Yeah, Cam. You came through. Thank you. I cannot wait to download this here. Actually, wait. Can I YouTube DL this? Let's go to my downloads and we'll do a little YTDLP. Don't tell anyone I'm YTDLP. Okay, what a man wants to YTDLP is his own personal business. All right, so if I want to downloads. Thank you at Tej for almost giving me the best day of my life. Now just have to get Lex to get Lex to try to say bam 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 done. The frame rate. How do you lower the frame rate using FFmpeg? God damn it. Twitter frame rate. Do I have a typo? Thank you. Maximum 40. Well, that's good. It saved me then. Thank you, Tej, for almost giving me the best day of my life. Now we just have to get Lex to try and get D. We just have to convince Lex to try and get DHH to say my name correctly. Same. Oh, dude. Ha. Wow, thank you. Okay, so we're going to say FFmpeg, thank you. Dash I, we will say shout out here. Shout out Deegan Bob. We'll say dash R 40, is that a thing? And we're going to say Deegan Bob. .mp4. Was it R? Now we just have to convince Lex to try and get DHH to say my name correctly. Okay, get rid of this video. And then we want this new video, which look, it should be there. Now you clipped it great. You clipped it. You did great. Hey Cam, you did great. Okay. Here, let's unpause the song. FFmpeg for the win. Could have looked that command up faster than that though. Now back to this business. We've got the Trigger the Movie trailer. Yeah. I hate this big chunk of commented out code. Because we're not generating images for it anymore. We instead are setting a theme, but this is really not that crazy. It just calls generate image. We know how to do that. So now let's do this. Let's say trigger AI friend. Also, what is it? It's AFN. What's the? I gotta remember like my co-pilot. What's up, Peercoin? Trigger the AI friend. You know, an AI friend. That'll be called right inside of here. And this also is matching on the image file path, and we do all this stuff down here for that. That seems a little stupid, but I am going to take it in no matter what. So I'm going to go from here down to there and pop that in here. But before I do that, let's grab another song. I'm going to build a system to actually get all of my old songs in a second. There's actually a bunch of ways of doing that. Here's my Suno. We'll automate it, don't worry. We'll say random song. Okay, here's the Bing Bong song. I remember people saying they like this one. If I say play, we should have it still downloaded. There we go. Image. Oh yeah, this is definitely a hit. Okay, I will say image file path and make this be image.
Bing bong, the night lights glow. Bing bong, we move fast or slow. Bing bong, laughter fills the air. Bing bong, no time to spare. Bing bong, love in our hearts. Bing bong, will never part.
AI scene request.
Dreams come true. Bing bong, just me and you. Bing bong, let's sing our tune.
OBS client.
Bing bong, under the moon. Bing bong, we can't go wrong. Bing bong, it's a lifelong song.
And I'm going to call this Twitch client. Local audio path actually comes from the TTS. We got to pass that in. That's simply a string. Why would the other one be an option then? Majestic Coding Twitch, thank you for the follow. Okay, this is a bunch of stupid. This looks ugly. Let's make this not as ugly. First of all, why? If I don't have an image file path, then I can't trigger an AI friend, right? So why would I need to do the matching at this point? And then I have this extra whole statement here. It seems ridiculous, if you ask me here. Quick DMCA. So instead, let's first pull this over and call it, and then we'll take care of that, which is done right here. Whoops. And take everything after the semicolon and replace it with a comma. Oh wait, yet a question mark. I have okay. Face image actually is Okay, this needs to be inside of that. Okay, well, this is matching here. So this is image file path, you dummy. All right, get rid of all this. Because that's all in here. And then let's fix a couple of these things. This should be locked OBS client. Honestly, this shouldn't be in it. Get rid of these. Boom, boom. Image file path. Uh-huh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, borrow that sucker. And now, real quick, it's OBS client and Twitch client. Locked OBS client. It's this one is wrong. Whoops. Oh, it needs to be a locked Twitch client. Or a lock client. I named it something stupid. Let me get it up here. Yeah, like it should not be called lock client. It's called lock Twitch client. I can't understand what it is if it's just this client. There's too many clients. And now it's mad at me. Or maybe it's not. Okay. Can I compile? We got somewhere. Looks pretty good. Something's working. Great. Refactoring, what do you call it? AI scenes. Doom, doom, doom. Okay, cool, great. So now if we look at this thing, it's pretty simple, right? It says find a face image. That's a stupid way of doing it here, but it says, hey, do we have a face image? This is the dumbest way of deciding to do which scene. This is a dumb way to decide if the scene is AI friend or not. This only works because we are correlating a voice like Prime with asking Prime a question through channel points. That's fine though. Now real quick here. I am printing off more information here, but there's definitely a simpler way of doing this without the match here. Code distill, print the error, but not use the match statement, right? Isn't this like map error? One of those is what I would want to do. Is that better? Match is good in my opinion. Isn't that a little bit better? But don't value that, okay. I'm just making sure that it prints off failed to generate audio. I say error, and I can give it like one more piece of information here that might be useful. For instance. Dun, 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 dun. I could... Or I could use any who context. You know, I don't know. All right. Do I need to have these middle clones inside of here? Or can I simply clone? Whoa, Code Printer. Code Printer to Microsoft Azure. Dude. Told you I'm an Arch user, okay? I'm an Arch user. You can get me kicked out of the club if you start inviting Windows in here. But thank you. Every single dollar you spend, I spend right back on API friends. Soon I'll have enough friends that, you know, it'll be like you have friends too. If you're missing friends, I don't know if you use Arch. Okay, and so I'm going to go here. I'm going to clone. Developers, right? I'm going to do the same thing here. I don't know why I had these things separated out. Oh, because this temporary value freeing. There is a reason. Everything Beacon does is for a stupid reason that he doesn't understand. We need Azure certification. Yeah, we do have to work on our certifications. That's one of the things I'm missing. Okay, real quick. The first time we ever use this, we use it both times down here. And I hate when things are that far away from where their first use is. You know what I mean? Put it where you're going to use it at, my friend. Also, do I need to do all that too? Maybe not. We'll find that out in a second. Free ticket to the exam. Nice. So, this is inside of Run AI scene. Locked OBS client. Same thing. It's used right there. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. So I'm not checking. I'm not finding the image. I'm not using the image modes right now. I am finding the voice to use. I am generating the audio. I am finding out, is there a background theme of some sort? Then I'm just kicking off a movie trailer, or I'm kicking off an AI friend. It's a little bit closer. Makes slightly more sense. Generate the audio to use. Figure out the... Wait, what's up, Finance Singularity? How are you? Figure out the voice. Dude, you're killing it on all the plugins here. Dude, I'm always seeing you everywhere. Seeing your code everywhere. You know what I mean? We're always using some, including this little outline right here. So, nice. Right, we actually might have to automate you for OBS questions in the future here, okay? How do we automate OBS better? But yeah, right now we're working on AI friends, so we'll probably be using this here. What language is this? We're using Rust. Rust. The Rust programming language here. I'll say theme is Rust and Catgirls. Love to be automated? Yeah, we're working on that here. Time to clone. Yeah, you'll get cloned today here. You'll get cloned. I'll become a patron. May you help me config the project to translate the prompts. I want to share credit of the project with the Latino developer community. Oh, you've already done that? Really? What do you mean there, Code Printer? Config the project to translate the prompts. Which project? The project this one or another one? I'm down for trying to do some translation stuff, though. Okay, so figure out the voice to use. Figure out the voice for the voiceover. Generate the audio from 11 Labs. Generate the audio. Ooh, oh, nice. Hell yeah. Trigger the background music if we have background music. Finally. Truthfully, the teach clone
With
is...
a touch of NeoVim magic and some slick Python scripting, we can whip up OBS automation faster than you can say time in the saddle. Let's harness the power of code to streamline your streaming setup. Bonus tip.
Okay.
Don't forget to stock up on coconut oil for those marathon streams.
You know what? I will.
Hash blazing fast automation.
You know what? I will. Later, Prime. The one that makes AI songs the streamer content. I make AI songs. All of our songs. We get our AI songs. I say song. I say 70s soul song, female singer about being in love with programmers who use split keyboards because it's hot. Right? I'm something of a scientist myself. Yeah, why would I what? Oh, okay, I've got you. This is where I'm setting volume here. That but translated Spanish. We can do that. We'll figure that out here. We could probably do just songs in Spanish. Can't we just say ask for songs in Spanish too? But we can also translate songs. Let's see. Right? Can't we just generate Spanish songs? Yeah, it's so good at the multilingual songs, okay? Also, check this out. Rocker Boom. I figured this. I literally figured this. I'm so stupid, dude. I'm doing all this crazy dumb stuff I don't understand. I'm arc mutexing, trying to figure out how to build this playlist system by passing the sync around. And then I just figured out, don't be a dummy. Stop being so silly. And instead, look what I do. I was trying to pass it deep in the code. I just said at the beginning of, where is it? In the top of the loop here, I just say, hey, if the sync is empty, mark all the songs as stopped. That's it. That's it. I'm like going crazy trying to pass the sync in all these odd places, and I'm like, dude, I'm inside of a loop. When the sync's empty, just mark all the song. That means there's no song playing, okay? So I'm depending on this always, I guess, you know, like, oh, here we go. What we got? That's not a woman. Every chord your fingers touch makes me wanna love you so much. Hey. Keyboards, baby, oh so fine. Type in tunes so divine. Love's a program we debug. You're my comfy coding rug. Cool. It's not bad. Let's see if it's a little bit louder, okay? Or a little bit faster. Started learning programming this week. Lucky, it's so fun. Started with C#, watching Harvard. Nice little adventure game. Killer. Learning, dude, is all that matters. We all know the advice here. You need to write as much code as possible. Have lots of fun. Keep trying to add more features to your game. Get other people to play your game. You know, get addicted to having fun. That's it. In the first week, that's all you need. All right, let's slow it down though a little bit now. Listen to this song. I've got it. It's pure delight. Okay. So watch. If I say info here, whoa, Code Printer, tier 3. That's the highest you can go. Look at, if I say info, this is Split Love by Beganbot. See, I wrote this one here, okay? Trojan bad, okay? Can't reverse shell your project? Not yet. Not yet. What's up, Rav? How are you today? Ooh. Okay, cool. So let's go back to the AI songs handler. And inside of here, nice. Every dollar you get, I give it right to the API gods. Why did neither one give me a female singer? Why? Whoa, Bits. I'm in the game now. I've got a hype train. I never had one. Colombian. Well, I spelled that wrong. Folk song Shakira. Folk song about NeoVim in Spanish. See what we get. I don't know. The 100 bits is the hype train now. They've lowered it. There's like a handicap, you know, for streamers. You know what I mean? Okay, so what I got to do now is I have to start updating the thing that actually triggers the AI friends and start doing it on different OBS sources. I'm using the same source over and over again. So if I see this right here, this trigger AI friend, inside of here, this sync lips, see this right here? Here's the problem. We are saving, first of all, we got to save all these videos. We are saving the video. See this right here? This is what we have to update. Now, I already know one simple thing is I could just say, pass in the voice, and I could have the voice be... have the voice... Okay, here's what we're going to do, okay? So I do need the friend name. So I'm going to say right here, friend name. I'll make that a string. Right here, the friend name is actually equal to the voice, which we've not passed in right here, which is bad. So that means I have to pass friend type in here as well. Or the friend name, sorry. Right, then this will get friend name as well. Go to trigger AI friend up here and make sure we just pass in the final voice here. Right. Now, it's moved at this point because of this little thing here. Can I just clone this and be chill? And we'll make it better in a second. Great. Great. So now inside of here, I have a friend, which means it's passed into here, which means when I go down here for this friend name, this video path here, first of all, I need to pick a new spot in my folder. So let's take a look here. So right here, not bad. Listen to that. And we'll find out if these lyrics actually are, proper. We do have the lyrics saved. This sounds excellent, though. I could listen to this in code all day. Okay, so where do I want to save these files here? Oh, I think that the song might be wrong then, because this is not, I don't think this is that. Ah, see, look at, we fucked up somewhere, see? A bunch haven't got marked as done. We'll have to fix that. I could also just say always return the if this happens again, I could say return the latest that doesn't have a stop right now. That might work. I think I know the problem. Update the current song to sort by created app. Build a system to get a translation into the chat. Yeah, we'd have to run our own model, which we might do. We'll get there. Okay, man. So it's like I honestly need a section called AI assets. I feel like that's what I need. I've got AI songs. The AI song should be in AI assets. I feel like because I got songs, I got videos, I got images, but I got some inside of temp. Look at this.
With a touch of NeoVim magic and some slick Python scripting.
So I am saving all these videos. That's actually good in temp. That's good. So they're archiving. Right, those are archived video, which is good. So I'm saving the FAL video. I'm gonna do this, okay? I'm gonna say make directly AI assets. Then in here, I'm gonna say AI assets. I've got new emotes. I'm growing up. Do you sort by model first and then do folders for subjects in there? Do you have a folder for each model inside the folders for each subject here? Neither. It's chaos. Also, I'm not like storing things. It's chaos. I literally wrote down saying figure something out, but I'm just being chaotic right now. Okay, so check it out. So this scene is going to be AI friends. And this source is going to be the friend name.
La montaña canta en sintonía con un ritmo que no va a morir. Neovim en tierras lejanas.
God, this is the.
Código fluye como el río de Colombia las ventanas del mundo.
Now, all I have to do is make sure that each of those is pointing to the file once it's created. So if I just generate one of each, this system should work. And then I can adjust everyone and make them look a little bit better. Make people potentially less cursed. So let's see if we can do that real fast. Okay. It's one of the better songs we've got so far. God, I don't want to stop listening to it. Okay, where stopped at. So here's the songs that haven't been played, so if we do end up pausing, like that, I can know which songs. So look at, see, all those were marked. See, since no song is playing anymore, it got marked as no song playing. But that's okay, because I can come here and say play, paste in an ID, and let's see what it said up here. Okay, it said error decoding, so I'm guessing we didn't download that yet. I'm going to go instead, say attempting to download. So cool, that was put into the download queue now. Lovely. If I go back to my SQL here, that means that these are probably something similar. So I need to add a status of where it's at download or not, but I think I can also query that on the API. But here, I'm just going to do these two real fast. There we go. If we still see here, we can see that none are playing right now. However, since I believe this is how they're ordered, if I went to here and said play, this one should be downloaded. Nope. Failed. Failed. Okay, and we also got to get a better message about. Okay, everything's just being attempted to download. All fine. All fine. That means that every song inside of here, yeah, if it doesn't have a stopped at, almost all of these, unless they were part of a crash, should be playable. Right? So for instance, these are the early records. This should definitely be downloadable immediately and playable because it's an old song. See? What's up, Walrus? See? That worked like a charm. Okay. So, I was trying to look at AI friends, though. So, we have to make AI friends work right now. So, first, we'll do a quick Melky test. And once we get all three working, what is the best item to order at Taco Bell? Lovely. Okay, that is going through. So let me do this now. So I can make this work, I think, by saying touch. What is it? No, I'll copy from temp. Geez, temp, foul videos. Give me any of them. And I'm going to copy this into AI assets. And I'm going to call it melky.mp4. Then I'm going to make one called prime. Then I'm going to make one called teach. This is going to be overridden over and over again. And if I come here and say Melky.
Oh yeah, baby I. Now that's what I call code.
That's fine. That's fine.
Oh yeah, baby I.
Lovely.
Oh yeah, baby I. Now that's what I.
Okay, cool. So there you go. So I have 3 versions of them. We're getting close.
Yo, chat, what's up? Best
See,
item
there you
to
go.
order at Taco Bell? Easy. You gotta go for the Crunchwrap Supreme, no doubt. Pound
Yeah.
it.
Thank you.
It's got everything you need in one epic package.
Perfect.
Trust me on this one.
So watch
What's
this.
your go-to order at Taco Bell, chat? Let me know in the comments.
So there we go. Flip them this
Yo,
way.
chat, what's up? Best item to order at Taco Bell? Easy. You gotta go for
There we
the
go.
Crunchwrap Supreme, no doubt. Pound it.
Excellent. Let's get a
got
Teej working. Crunchwrap Supreme. Okay, good one. That's looking a lot better though. Okay. Let's use a let's just use a different whatever Teej. What is the best order at Taco Bell? Kick that off. Excellent.
Oh yeah.
See, I need Teej to actually make the editing. Whatever. That one's should be working at the same time now. There we go. I should probably get God and Satan working too. Satan wasn't working. I can't remember. I think that those got blocked from whoever the voice was for Satan. Which I gotta figure out here. I guess I could change Satan's voice here. But I'll add God for now. So I'm gonna need to add a media source. Call it God. All this makes perfect sense to me. Then we gotta go
baby,
right
now that's what I
here.
call code.
And then we gotta copy all of these files too. We gotta make one called .mp4. Then I click on this one right here. Then it should be correct. I put a
baby,
green.
now that's what I call.
And then I have to also make sure I.
Oh yeah, baby, now that's what I call
Have you
code.
considered ordering alphabetically by item code? It's a more efficient way to navigate the menu. Just like organizing your code for readability and maintainability. Remember, good code is like a well-structured taco
Teej is cursed.
order.
Teej is cursed, okay?
Oh yeah, baby, now
Also,
that's what
I
I call
can't
code.
hear this God because it's not on monitor and output. There we go. Goodbye, Teej.
Oh yeah, baby, now that's what I call code.
Great. Let's ask God a question. We're really making progress here. Yeah, he definitely is an Upper Michigan drug dealer. There we go. We asked God a question, and then I got to get Prime as a question here. We'll ask him the same question. It's all Taco Bell-based questions. There we go. But cool. This way we could, I think, too, like, put in a bunch of images. But the key is, I think the difference is we got to, like, figure out, you know, once we size an image and it looks good in a certain way, we don't want to go crazy. You know what I mean?
My dear child, the best order at Taco Bell is one that brings you joy and satisfaction. Follow your cravings, trust your gut, and embrace the delicious chaos of the menu. Remember, there are no wrong choices when it comes to a bell of tacos. Blessings be upon your taste buds.
Thank you, God. Thank you.
Time in the saddle, Porque Maria. I'd say go for the startup combo. A Crunchwrap Supreme, a quesadilla, and a Baja Blast. Don't forget the bathroom ramen on the
We
side
got
for
it.
extra energy.
Okay? We pretty much got it. That's pretty good there, people. So I think now we have at least better looking versions of the 4 people we can talk to so far. We got Prime, Melky, God, and Teej in that order. Okay, so now we need to actually... fix voice cloning and then figure a way of actually maybe changing the photos out all the time. What's the best way to get an AI model in hexagonal with 15 microservices on a loop dependency in a hexagonal pattern? Hexagonal. 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 What are you talking about? What does that mean? Okay, so let us go look at voice cloning and see exactly how it works, because I can't really remember. Actually, there we go. I guess it was Bang Clone. So here's clone. Only Beacon can do it. Lambda and Kafka, Lambda and Kafka. All right, we got to get rid of these. Bum, 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 bum. Dude, this is still right here. This isn't right. This is now in config or something. Data? Is it not really config? It's data. Honestly, there's a chance this works off right. There's a chance. Let's pick someone to clone. Who do we want to clone? I need someone just speaking. Who do I want to clone? Let's see. Garrett from Community. So these are the best of, but can I just get him just talking?
This is Stacy. She is in our class as well.
2 weeks and 4.
The problem is that we, I need just Garrett talking. That's the key.
We are here to witness the union of Garrett Total Con. It is.
It's a lot of work.
It's sad. Should we increase their lithium?
Not yet.
Okay, I remember this. That one is, his voice is different. 14 seconds. There we go. Or I can just do just crisis alert. Coder, it's happening. God damn it. Can I clone him entirely from that? The answer is no, but I'm going to do it anyway, okay? Say clone. I'm going to try and give it 1 second of sound, and I'm going to say Garrett. We failed. Yeah, we got just hire him on Cameo, exactly, to say. It's going to be faster. Being good. Temp clone. Air, look at this, look at this. We got something really wacky here in terms of names of files. So let's go take a little bit of a deeper look in what is happening here. Create this directory. Oh, I got an extra slash here. Well, also I didn't restart. Download. There we go. Tell me no lie. Okay. Try and do a clone. Great. It says error creating directory. No such file or directory here. Why isn't this opening? Please don't be offensive. Please don't be offensive. Please don't be offensive. Oh, yeah, wait. Why aren't things working? What is this? Be my... Oh, this is like a song. Not a voice. Okay, so let's figure out what's going on here, okay? So it says... Garrett is not a valid... Okay, I did the order of... I did the order... I got what's going on here. It's clone, Garrett, then the URL. First big mistake. There we go. That does seem to be downloading indeed. It says there's a result. We just got back an ID. So that just told me that this is available. Now I got to start saving some voice information in the database because I've got a dumb system right now. I'm pretty sure inside of here, and there was a reason for this, which I can't remember. See, Garrett does exist. Okay, Garrett's here. So I should be able to say set voice Garrett. Are there any models out there that can do speaking face deepfakes, 1080 res, real time? I don't know. I don't think real time yet. Though you can do good looking ones, but I don't know about real time.
I mean, if you have enough GPU, anything is possible.
Okay, so I said crisis alert.
Crisis alert.
That was not it. And I tried to set voice to Garrett. And if I went into my PSQL, said select star from stream. Why aren't you auto-completing, bro? Select star from user stream character information where username is equal to BeaconBot. I'm Garrett right now. It's supposed to be Garrett. But I also think there's something stupid where I have to do a restart. That could be it. Still Garrett. Do. Let's see if I'm still Garrett right now. Let's see if I'm Garrett. Crisis alert.
Crisis alert?
It's not Garrett. Oh, I know why.
Crisis alert!
I know why. I run it on a different... Yeah, exactly, Carl.
Crisis alert!
Dang it. It's okay. It's just I know I've got some stupid code and I gotta update some JSON file or something very stupid. Okay. If we have a character in the voice design, we can fire off an 11 labs request. To do, what are you doing, Beacon? These are great questions. Yeah, get rid of this stuff. This garbage code. So look, I'm saying character voice here.
Wait, the emphasis is on the B and not on the Jin?
Yep. B-Jin. Not Bajin. Everyone says it wrong. It's not a big deal. Okay, so let's try this, okay? Let me follow, just make sure my logic is correct, actually. No. Inside of Beacon RS, right? Here's TTS. Right? TTS kicks off this 11 labs handler. See this right here? 11 labs handler. See, default global voice Ethan. It goes through here. It does a bunch of stuff. It does this. It does that. It does this, etc. Whoops. Yeah, he almost said Bip and Bop.
Oh, you are cloning voices.
Yeah. Maybe this is Garrett, and this is what happens when you clone Garrett with a single 1 second. Is that what just happened? Are we all Garrett, actually? Maybe this is what Garrett sounds like from just a single scream. Could definitely be that. Pancake sauce. Thanks for the follow. Well, there's one way to check. Duh, I'll just set voice Ethan.
Hello, pancake sauce.
And I'm going to say set voice Garrett.
Choose a different second.
I think we made Garrett a girl. Okay, so Garrett wasn't a good option. Okay, let's find someone we can do for more than one actual second of. Okay, so whose voice? Okay. Oh, what am I saying? Let's get Richard Stallman up in here. Oh, and DHH. Perfect. Uninterrupted. Uninterrupted. Where's my boy? Dude, why do they have to...
Effectively, they say their priority, and they're trying to make it a...
There's a little bit of music at the beginning. I wonder... 28 seconds.
And the other thing is that a beginner shouldn't be installing operating systems. Go to a user group and find...
Sure. Too much noise in the background. I need a quiet Stallman. Free software. There's gonna be applause in the beginning. I think I have cutting in the voice. I gotta do that. Dude, look at Prab's up here. Okay. Richard Stallman. God, look at young Stallman. This one might be fine. Let's try it. I'm going to say clone, Stallman, that. It's downloading through. We got an error. Unable to obtain the video codecs. Free software. Oh, we got an already exists. It was just part of it here. So we already have a Stallman inside of, because we've already tried to clone Stallman before. You fool. If we actually go to temp clone. See, there's my split stall. But it failed on the initial download of it where I got the gear. Well, wait, Ba-da-beam.
They do. Lots of organizations, lots of companies, lots of public agencies, and lots of individuals already use GNU/Linux. It's not particularly hard to use. It's just different. So
unable to rename
have to
file.
Make a certain effort in order to move to freedom. But it's not a big sacrifice, so we're lucky because there are times and places.
Look at that. There's errors we got, but we did get back an ID actually.
And we're very lucky that they were willing to do so.
Free software brought to you by Taco Bell.
API error. The voice contains no samples. Not enough samples. Darn it. Darn it. Real trap shit. Darn it. Dang it. I think that must have been the last one. Running out of samples. Dude, I just need who's someone good that we want to listen to, okay? Also, I need someone with a more iconic voice, truthfully. Does anything work?
Sanford and Son Fred. Does anything work?
Okay, something's working. Something's working.
Master Chief was iconic to me.
Let's say it's generate a song. We're going to say the Halo theme. We'll see what that gives us. Little scary. Oh, dude, James Earl Jones just died. R.I.P. R.I.P. I wonder if we'll get caught if we...
Triple kill. Earl James.
Triple kill. Okay, James Earl
Nice
Jones.
kill, tacular.
Wow, we got kind of intense there.
Want a funny voice?
Ray.
I'm Rick James, bitch.
Say clone. I'm going to say J-E-J. No errors that time. We got back an ID. I'm going to say set voice. J-E-J. The Empire will not let...
God damn, he was good in the Sandlot.
Wait a minute.
The Empire will not let this stand.
We have a combination. Do we have what's his name talking some in here?
People will come. Ray. Got to the bleachers.
Ray.
See, we're mixing stuff with music and sounds. It's messing it up here. This is not working. See, this is not working. We need better samples. Also, once I do this...
11 Labs has isolation stuff.
Oh, really? Let's see. I'm probably gonna have to delete samples. All right, not bad. All right. I do not know why this is what we got, but okay.
Human dreams ascending in the halo of light. Walls colliding silence, echoes from the past. We are on this journey in the light so vast. Oh, the halo guides us through the darkest night. In the shadow of the stars, we find hope and light.
Nice.
Ancient tales and legends whispered in the wind. Brave hearts marching forward where new worlds begin. Destiny awaits.
All right, so we just need to give an audio file. Cool. And then take that audio file, then send it to clone. Not bad. So let's go look at... See, this is from clone. So we'll need something similar here, only it's going to be, you know. Ooh, a little guitar solo. What do they got? Now speed it up. Stop. What am I doing? Jeez. Trying to change a couple of key habits and they're killing me. Okay. So it's going to be... Is it just audio isolation, the whole thing? Or does it have V1 in it? Oh, shut your mouth, okay. Really quickly, let's look. Yep, this is exactly right. It's got V1. Oops. All right, let's see. Dude, stop, dude. I'm really struggling. Update the function to take in an audio file path and call the API. Is allowed us to be. I don't quite understand what that means. And call the API. Save the result locally. See if Avante can help. Okay. Okay, so really quickly though, it's saying that all I have to pass here though is just audio. It's a file. So it should be audio. There is no model ID.
VBC, I've something you detest on stream, and it may be annoyed at some point.
And we're having a problem here because it's saying part there. Oh, you have to pull that in, right? Meaning that part of request. I've got multi-part here. Not what it is. No associated.
Kodash.
Oh yeah. Like if I go here and I say leader CA. Nah. What's up, Xanis?
Hi, Xanis.
You see we've gotten things quite a little bit better for our system now. Watch.
How do I get better at
Okay, I'm just being stupid because I just let AI generate this for me, and I don't know. So right here I'm saying I've got a file name right here. We know it's a valid file name right here. This is saying it requires a audio file. It is multi-part form data here. I don't know about that. I've got too many other things to finish at the moment right now. But if you can code, I say code it up. Code it up.
It's already coded.
Yes, it is. It is. We had it. We had some goofy automation around it before, but it's already coded. Oh, then I can't do something that someone else has coded. I can only run my own code. Those are the rules. Those are the rules. What's the equivalent of this in Rustin?
Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Interact with viewers. Explain your thought process and have fun. Stay positive and patient with yourself. Practice regularly and try new challenges to improve. Remember, even the best coders started somewhere. You got this.
Thank you, God. Yep, that's God. We got him. Viewers can change the color. Yeah, I already even had that. I could probably get that hooked up pretty fast. We already had a feature of that. We haven't added Ken Burns yet, but I can add him in a second. Yeah, what is file part 1? So, well, the file is not the thing here. File's not is the missing part. Oh yeah, everything's possible through code. Okay, you got to get a little bit quiet. God's music is too loud. He is so cocky.
through god awful.
Yo, welcome to the stream, my fellow anime-loving coder. Getting ripped while indulging in the epicness of anime is totally doable.
But how?
First off, maintain a balanced diet and hit the gym regularly.
Okay.
Just like a shonen protagonist training to defeat a super powerful villain. Next, don't forget to incorporate some anime-inspired workouts into your routine. Channel your inner Goku and do some weighted pull-ups or unleash your inner One Punch Man with some intense push-ups. And hey, remember to keep that anime spirit alive. Nothing gives you that extra push during a workout like imagining yourself going Super Saiyan or activating
Saiyan.
So, my friends, stay consistent, keep pushing yourself, and let's all get ripped together. Pound it.
Saiyan. Okay, I'm being stupid, okay? Do I need to set... I do need to set a multi-part form here, right? It's just how in Rust. Because this part here needs something that is a part. So I got to create a part. So if I say
just
part...
be yourself, embrace your love for Arch Linux, and find someone who appreciates you for who you are.
I think you want
also,
bytes.
Maybe mention the benefits of using NeoVim for code collaboration.
From the file.
Just keep being awesome, and everything will fall into place. And hey, if all else fails, maybe try mentioning the startup or offering to share your secret bathroom ramen recipe. Good luck.
Last one. We're trying to fix voice cloning. We gotta isolate voices though. Okay. No, stop. Stream. Jesus. That's better. Okay. 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 See you. Gotcha. That kind of makes sense.
To get better at making NeoVim plugins, read the manual and documentation thoroughly, experiment with different plugins for inspiration, practice writing clean and efficient code, and seek feedback from the NeoVim community. Remember, the devil is in the details, so pay attention to every line of code you write. And hey, don't forget to have fun in the process. After all, coding is an art.
I don't know why he can't blink. The others can blink. You're a liar, AI. There is no file part. What? Okay, let's go ask the internet, actually, because I'm being very stupid here. I could also ask our other friend. Yo, Jiffity, help me out. See if you can actually help me out. I know I'm missing something very... Update. So, What's up, Von Schiller? How are you? For passing. Yeah, Beacon Bob. There we go. Read to end and read and buff. Maybe. Maybe. Let's see what shoutouts do for the AI. Good, good, good. It's been really, really fun couple of weeks. I think we're going to try something good. We actually might try some of this weird AI shit this week. So, we're doing some fun experimental shows. And the new spot in Venice is amazing. You got to come. Yeah, if you haven't seen, I've automated AI friends here. We got AI songs, AI, actual AI friends. They'll hopefully pop up unless we broke something. Can we test a tool? What do you mean? This is all they're saying is part file. Part file doesn't... Is it because I'm not importing something? Is it because I don't have FS file? Wants to drain. I know that a lot of people do. And I've got Foreman part here for request. I got path. But
hey there, Beacon Bob. Keep coding, typing, and playing basketball at church.
I will.
Remember to read the manual and documentation before diving in. And don't forget to check out my latest NeoVim plugin. Keep being a proud Pop! OS user and steering clear of Arch Linux
I'm not a Pop! OS user. God
hey, always remember, why was the JavaScript developer sad? Because he didn't know how to null his feelings.
That is a teach joke. Everyone's telling me about file. Why is this something that I'm using request part, multi-part form? You know what I mean? But everyone is just like, yo, dog. But now I also should be able to by using trouble. Whoops, wrong thing. Whoa. I say leader XX. It's easier to grab this message out now. I got the following. That's a little bit nice. Trouble. All right, let's see if we go back to trying to make television theme songs while we're doing this. Song, 90s television theme song about Arch Linux family, saxophone, male singer. Except we got something new right now. What's this one? Okay. Not bad. Okay, it's because I'm using a different version of request. Art Matt Dank. What's up, Art Matt? Also, get in here and handle this what do you call it? These themes. You're in charge of the themes. Remember, you're in charge. Look at what you've done. You're supposed to be in charge of the theme. Look where we're at. This is because of you. The fuck is 52 months? Dude, you have a baby. You should know. You gotta fix this. This is your fault. Clean your room. You need to clean your room. The key is cleaning your room. Okay. It's no bloody joke. Listen, the hierarchy of lobsters shows that Jungian...
Hope lift my thunder, I blunder in the shadow, lost, torn asunder. Faint thief, life went under. In his glow crushed, I ponder.
It's no bloody joke. Thank you. Finally, good theme. Yeah, I've got a second call here like an idiot.
I'm stuck in a canvas of grace. They shout his name, my syllables erased. Silent echoes where I thought I'd find praise. Check the feeds, heartbreak bleeds. He shines bright, I'm the ghost he precedes. Similar name, getting all my needs. Dream shattered, satisfaction recedes.
What is this, tennis? Okay. We're working on voice isolation, Art Matt. Also, I don't know, did you see our characters? We got them a little bit better here, okay? And we got a Q working a little better.
Every post, another toast. My grind wasted, burned like a roast. Turn on your screen, it's time to play.
See, the info's not working. We'll fix that soon. Oh, maybe it is. All right, let's see if that works. Let me read what I actually just did, too.
Turn on your screen, it's time to play. Tux, the penguin leads the way.
Not bad, look at that.
Open source magic night and day. Arch Linux family, hey, hey. Install your life in a flash of code. Customization is the road. Roll and release, got the load. In this house we never slow. We are free and we are strong. Build it up, it won't take long. Back the world and join the throng. Arch Linux, hear our song. Updates flowing every week.
Not bad. Not bad.
Sun Wukong, also known as the Monkey King, is a legendary character from the Chinese classical novel Journey to the West. He is a mischievous and powerful monkey who acquires incredible strength and the ability to transform into 72 different beings. Throughout the story, he accompanies the Buddhist monk Xuanzang on a journey to retrieve sacred texts, facing numerous challenges and adventures along the way. Sun Wukong's tale is a classic of Chinese literature and showcases themes of loyalty, courage, and redemption.
Yeah, 72. It's a big part of the Sun Wukong story.
With a
Yo, welcome to the stream, my fellow anime-loving coder. Getting ripped while indulging in the epicness of anime is totally doable.
Okay, cool.
First off, maintain a balanced diet and hit the gym regularly. Just like a shonen protagonist training to defeat a super powerful villain.
Boy.
Next, don't forget to incorporate some anime-inspired workouts into your routine. Channel your inner Goku and do some weighted pull-ups or unleash your inner One Punch Man with some intense push-ups. And hey, remember to keep that anime spirit alive. Nothing gives you that extra push during a workout like imagining yourself going Super Saiyan or activating
Trying to make sure this thing's working, so
my
sorry.
friend, stay consistent, keep pushing yourself, and let's all get ripped together. Pound it.
Yeah, weighted pull-ups are important. Okay, cool. So now let's work on isolation. Okay? So if we look at clone, here's clone, no DL, here's clone. I'm going to add one for isolation. Dude, Melky always reusing content. Now the key is though, is I don't have an audio file path. I need. So let's look at us downloading it from the clone. Here's this YouTube DLP, which we should probably separate this out into its own function. Fighting Buddha. He's becoming a fighting Buddha. Okay, so let me see how many times I YTDLP up in here. Just this once. That's okay. I'm going to separate it into its own function. Oh, we got some failures from below. This is failing.
In a twist of fate, Sun Wukong and Baji stumble upon a plate of magic dumplings in the most unlikely place.
Where?
A sewer. They exchange polite gestures, offering the dumplings to each other. Little do they know, these delicious treats will lead to a love story that defies all odds, as the princess and her sisters fall head over heels for the duo. Love truly does come in mysterious ways, even from the depths of a sewer.
Wow. Beautiful story. Vegan, you are bad. What does that mean? I don't know what you're trying to make me say there, but I know it's bad. I know it's bad. Also, we could probably add video to this stuff too. Now we have that other video working here. Oh, also, Arbet, you gotta see. Okay, we are saving, dude. We're saving songs now better. So I'm gonna say select star from AI songs. Right, we're saving songs, which means you have the lyrics and all that stuff. And no joke, some of this shit has been fire. So let's pull out the ID and the tag, no, the prompt. Stop, but not an appropriate joke at this time, Artmat. Wait, how do I do this? Can I just say, wait, is it not ID? Oh, sorry, it's song ID. And then it's prompt. Oh no, prompt is, dude, I'm saving it on the wrong thing. That prompt looks wrong, actually. Yeah, now is if you're going to invest in them. Yeah, you actually are right. Oh, I think prompt is, we're saving prompt incorrectly, it looks like. I might have had that fucked up earlier, though. So let's say, we're going to say order by created at. And then I'm going to show the created at too. Hamburgers. So see, look at this. See, I could start searching through. Actually, I need to do descending. You see what I'm saying? Look at this, right? I gotta make sure I'm saving prompts correctly. I feel like I might not be. What's Rain Frog? Nope, I'm saving prompt wrong. I'm saving the lyrics as prompt. Big problem. Gotta fix that ASAP. Oh, yeah, dude, I do want to use that, actually. Jeez, I should be checking that out. Can you link me that? Cool name, Rain Frog. See, look, we must have not saved some others in here, too. Like, we're missing tags on them. Yeah, Tui. Let's see. Audio. Okay, I guess I'll add title. Ah, here it is. This is the best song.
Every beat's a sweet surprise, living life
My pager is a bomb. Not bad. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna add isolation in a second. Dude, did you hear the Taco Bell songs we were making yesterday? But here's the other pagers. Okay, cool. Hey, it's working. We're gonna build Eurovision soon. Whoa. Okay, real quick.
On the move, I'm everywhere. Pager keeps me in the air. Every signal's like a song, keeps me going all night long. Numbers flashing brightly now.
Look at the prompt must be wrong. Yeah, Ben Gibbard. Watch this though, Art Matt. Dude, look at the prompt should be right to me. It says prompt the string. Let's look at some Suno responses to make sure I'm not wrong. Are you joking, Art Matt? I just saw what this new song is. Hopefully it's going to be good. Hey, where's my song? Hey. Real quick, let me play this song. I'm really into it. Pretty sure it's this one. I'm gonna say download. Oh, something got fucked. Oh, dude, I have an extra space inside there, I think. Armat, listen to how good this is. Jedi Wimps is on the way.
En la sierra un brillo extraño, un editor con corazón, Neovim, luz de 1000 años, causa pura devoción. Niños juegan entre líneas, codificando el porvenir. La montaña canta en sintonía, con un ritmo que no va a morir. Neovim en tierras lejanas.
That's good.
Tu código fluye como el río, de Colombia a las ventanas del mundo sin desvío. Cuando hay café vigilan pantallas en la madrugada. Cada tecla el alma empujan en esta tierra inspirada. En el páramo se siente tu presencia.
It's beautiful. What is he saying? Here, we can look at the lyrics.
Neovim, herramienta valiente, desafiando cada amanecer. Neovim, en tierras lejanas, tu código como el río de Colombia, las ventanas del mundo sin desvío.
You gotta feel this prompt issue. It's really weird. Like, oh, GPT description prompt. That's what I need. Biggest watch. Now I'll be able to do something like this.
Pantallas en la madrugada. Cada tecla el alma empujan en esta tierra inspirada.
See, look it. We can start searching through and finding all of our old songs.
Se siente tu presencia, oh editor fiel.
Why are we not getting your, where's this? I think I've... Here you go, Art Matt. It's for you.
왕처럼 반하게 춤바 가나 윈바 주었다 잡아 고고리가 swindler blaster 하다 no force only fight for blinded 바깥에 제다 Nino spot they fade cover Jedi who the deep
It's in Hades.
Overwhelming rumble 뭐가 깜빡해 slice a lingo smuggler's pride hot cartel no Jedi could abide wanna Jedi wanna key too feeble Jabba ruler galaxy major evil hunts the power Jedi ain't got control hottest warriors sweet on the roll Jabba castle strong Jedi frail no muscles horde of bounty hunters Jedi juggle puzzles dives on Tatooine sands no survival lightsaber break against crime arrive Jabba Huttati mighty crime overlord Jedi quake with weak flimsy swords sword a massive nose Jedi are a mockery in Huddy's court they bow improperly wanna Jedi wanna key too feeble Jabba ruler galaxy major evil hunts the power Jedi ain't got control hottest warriors we on a roll Jedi for good eye. Here we go.
Oh, it's even got the samples in there.
Not enough pics in my life, empty pens and quiet days. April's gray without their noise, lost in memory's silent maze. Farmer's field now stands alone, morning cries now turn to sighs. Life was sweeter with their snouts, now the silence makes me cry.
No, no!
Dancing pastures from above, gone are they, no hoofs in sight. Pigs no more in morning.
Okay, back to work.
All the sleigh and barns so wide, ghosts of oinks now lonely wail.
Alright, we're gonna download.
Pink now disappear. Twilight's hush is like a veil.
Needs support.
That leave an empty heart. Fields of sorrow in a realm of light and cold, where precision rules the mode. Neovim stands bold and proud. Silence whispers never loud. Lines of text like rivers flow. In commands we find the glow. Elegant dance of keys so fine. Power lies in every line. Neovim, oh Neovim. In the night or morning dim, guide my hands with every keystroke. In your light my cobalt invoke. Extensions bloom like flowers bright, syntax highlighted in the night. Configuration sets us free, in Neovim's embrace we be. Oh, the plugins we employ turn our work into pure joy. From the Matrix to
Jabba the Hutt is like a server running on a potato.
Yo.
Slow, cumbersome.
Hey, what are you doing down there?
I'd rather debug 1,000 lines of bad code than spend a minute with that slimy slug. Now, R2D2. There's a droid who knows the true value of blazing fast performance.
R2D2? Okay, something weird just happened, okay? We gotta fix that, okay?
Jabba the Hutt is like a server running on a potato.
Dude, like the AI friend scene got all fucked
just
up.
Plain gross. I'd rather debug 1,000 lines of bad code than spend a minute with that slimy slug. Now, R2D2. There's a droid who knows the true value of blazing fast performance.
Okay, something weird's going on. I gotta figure this out. Oh. AI Friends is showing now. I go here.
Jabba the Hutt is like a server running on a potato.
Why isn't he showing?
Slow, cumbersome, and just plain gross. I'd rather debug.
It's showing. There's like something weird going on. I've got like a bug with
slimy slug. Now, R2D2. There's a droid who knows the true value of blazing fast performance.
Not sure what was happening there. But let's unpause. Next song.
Wow. Son, where'd you
find it? Oh, good one.
Not enough pics in my life. Empty pens and quiet days. April's gray without their noise.
Beautiful.
Lost in memory's silent maze. Farmer's field now stands alone. Warning cries now turn to sighs. Life was sweeter with their snouts. Now the silence makes me cry.
Oh, the index has changed.
Things I've known and loved, dancing pastures from above. Gone are they, know who's in sight. Pigs no more in morning light.
Okay, this is a banger.
Echoes fade in ponds so wide. Ghosts of voice now lowly wail. Scenes of pink now disappear. Twilight's hush is like a veil. It's that leave an empty heart. Fields of sorrow deep and wide. Wish I'd known they'd go so soon. Tears I now can't seem to hide. Lonely swineherd without friends. Borders bare and pastures mute. I would give my every breath for a piglet's grateful snoot.
Song rules.
It's no more in morning light. Echoes fade in barns so wide. Ghosts of voice now lowly wail. Scenes of pink now disappear.
Yeah, I'm fixing it in a second.
Is like a veil.
I'm fixing it in a second. I'm sorry. I'll fix that. I swear to God. Please don't get mad at me. Please, please forgive me. Yeah, don't worry. Next song. Chill day. It's never a chill day. All right, back to business here. So this is now...
Eagle Jabba sitting there, glutton of a rich lair, laughing with a wicked flair, slimy yet without a care. Han and Leia caught his eye, Wookiee roar that shakes the sky, Jester dancing space fries, Jabba's court, oh my, Jabba laughs, hella loud, Hutt's a laugh, making sound, galactic jokes.
This is your song.
Jabba's laughter ain't profound, hunters on speed dial. Jabba's chuckle so versatile, Fortune's wheel lived in style, criminal with classic guile. Jabba laughs, hella loud, Hutt's a laugh, making sound.
This is your song.
Jokes all around, Jabba's laughter ain't profound, bounty hunters on speed dial. Jabba's chuckle so versatile. Fortune's wheel.
Oh, this is stand-up comedy.
Criminal with classic guile.
That makes sense.
Jester dancing space fries, Jabba's court, oh my, Jabba laughs, hella loud, Hutt's a laugh, making sound, galactic jokes all around, Jabba's laughter ain't profound, bounty hunters on speed dial, Jabba's chuckle so versatile, Fortune's wheel lived in style, criminal with classic guile. Jabba sitting there, glutton of a rich lair, laughing with a wicked flair, slimy yet without a care. Han and Leia caught his eye, Wookiee roar that shakes the sky, Jester dancing space fries, Jabba's court, oh my, Jabba laughs, hella loud, Hutt's a laugh, making sound, galactic jokes all around, Jabba's laughter ain't profound. On speed dial, Jabba's chuckle so versatile, Fortune's wheel.
Okay, interesting. Oh, this is Elvish, all right. It's beautiful. Okay. Where is it? See, where's MP3s? Right here. And we use these. Jeez, I keep hitting the wrong button.
Oh, if I got my hands on the One Ring, I'd be the most powerful.
Discover the power and versatility of Raspberry Pi 5. Revolutionize your projects with this compact, high-performance device. Unleash your creativity with endless possibilities. Upgrade to Raspberry Pi 5 today.
Nice, guys.
Syntax feels fantastic. Keys they click in rhythm. No need for drastic. Neovim's my guiding light.
Serious question, is Orange Pi superior to Raspberry Pi? Also, there's a love story involving orangutans.
Move over Raspberry Pi, because Orange Pi is the new love interest in this rom-com. With its vibrant personality and tantalizing features, Orange Pi steals the spotlight and wins the hearts of tech geeks everywhere. But wait, there's a twist. An unexpected romance blossoms between a charming orangutan and an Orange Pi, proving that love knows no boundaries, not even between a computer board and a jungle creature. Get ready for a tech-savvy and wild ride.
Great. What is it? We don't want to send...
Just found out the Orange Pi 5 has 16 GB of RAM. Propaganda poster. Raspberry Pi.
Okay, so...
Great leader.
See this right here? This is everything for actually kicking off the clone. So we want to go from here. Okay, I'm going to say nothing. I'm going to say unpause. I'm going to skip from... Also, why does this need to exist here? Okay, so I'm going to convert this. Oh yeah, we let him know, don't worry. Also, I save every single message.
Postman delivering the mail.
Already tweeted it.
You got a clip of it?
Wait, the Orange Pi can decode 81 and encode 82.
Okay, cool. So, this needs to return back the voice ID.
Making the Raspberry Pi 5.
Orange Pi is cool, but y'all ever boot up a Lychee Pi?
A Lychee Pi? You crazy
Man
boy.
made of fruit smiling.
Apparently there's a Raspberry Pi 5 AI kit. But like, what AI tasks can I even run?
Yeah, that is interesting. I want to know.
Man holding hammer, man holding scythe.
Okay, so now name.
Farmer celebrating props.
Man delivering milk to a suburban home.
Okay. Okay, so it's getting simpler.
Hands on the keyboard, wow. Taking me to my goal.
Men harvesting wheat and drinking tonic.
Cargo ship carrying fruit capsized and the sea was flooded with fruit.
Well, that's nice. Look at that. Speed it up a little bit. Ah.
House-sized apple with a giant worm.
Man making a shush gesture.
Undo tree and macros, jump into every line, navigating like pros.
Shush gesture with his mouth and finger.
The finger? You think AI can handle a finger?
Man making a shush gesture at the moldy tomatoes.
All right, name, voice ID. Okay.
Wearing aviators boarding an F-16.
Slightly closer.
Can't go with your mouse now. Neovil's in control. Hands on the keyboard, wow. Taking me to my goal.
Wearing aviators playing beach volleyball.
Damn it, out of songs. Oh, dude, you know what we got? You know what we got yesterday that was good? I say Night Course.
Close-up portrait of a man smiling, wearing blue blockers.
Okay, real quick. This is inside of the clone deal. Here's clone down here.
Lost in the haze, the fame maze. Names mixed up, stuck in a canvas of grace. They shout his name, my syllables erase. Silent echoes where I thought I'd find praise. Check the feeds, heartbreak bleeds. He shines bright, I'm the ghost, he proceed. Similar name, getting all my needs. Dreams shattered, satisfaction recedes. He took my thunder, I blunder. In the shadow, lost, torn asunder. Fame thief, life went under.
Alright, there we go. A little simpler.
Every post, another toast. My grind wasted, burned like a roast.
I like that.
Double, but I'm the ghost. Disguised reflection, who's the host? Recognition twisted, dreams listed. Under his name, my existence shifted. Charts
Grimy subway.
Success gifted, while I'm adrift. Hope lifted. He took my thunder, I blunder. In the shadow, lost, torn asunder. Fame thief, life went under. In his glow crush, I ponder.
See this first? It's the YTDL. This doesn't need to do that because it already has the split folder. It's saying here's the split folder. It does collect all these VEC files into one.
Charts climbed, success gifted, while I'm adrift. Hope lift my thunder, I blunder. In the shadow, lost, torn asunder.
So I should separate that into its own function.
Life went under. In his glow crush, I ponder.
See, here's us doing that inside of this Clone Voice 11 Labs. So we just gotta, like, what is it called? Gather
Iron Man.
Gather these files, which is always taking a folder, returning back a VEC of MP3s. It's an async function, which it doesn't need to be an async function.
Fran the nanny.
Compiling fast on caffeine highs. In the loop and never shy. Zero bugs that watch me fly. Silicone stars in the sky. Hard times I'm bursting into. Every point just feels so new. Deep points in every clue. Gamma rays in neon blue. Code my keyboard to the cloud. Typing loud and feeling proud.
Okay, is this it? And then here.
Hexadecimals in my dreams. Data streams like laser beams. Syntax clean, yeah, that's my theme. Hacker life more than it seems. Hexadecimals in my dreams. Data streams like laser beams. Syntax clean, yeah, that's my theme. Hacker life more than it seems. If it ain't broke, refactor it. Lines of code just never quit. She kept bit by bit. Nerdcore days, this is legit. Compiling fast on caffeine highs. In the loop and never shy. Zero bugs, yeah, watch me fly.
Popeye the Sailor.
Compiling fast on caffeine highs. In the loop and never shy.
Okay.
Zero bugs, yeah, watch me fly. Silicone stars in the sky. Hard drives on this thing into. In the loop and never shy.
Okay. Closer.
Baby, how you feeling? I'm stripping the layers. Got 21 reasons, Arch Linux the Slayer. Hack with precision, the system's so clean. Rolling updates, it's a techie
Not
stream.
terrible.
Custom to the core, not a distro the same. Pac-Man the hero in a software game.
Okay.
Mantra, build what you need. Freedom and code where ideas can breed. 21 answers, 21 truths. Arch Linux, baby, always breaking through.
Not bad. Is This is not in the style of 50 Cent at all.
Rust in the mix, safety's the key. Memory leaks, not with this G. Concurrency handled, thread syncing just right. Systems programming.
This is good though.
Rust in the mix, safety's the key. From source to binary, take us for a ride. Loving this journey, both customized.
Optimize flows, watching it rise. Arch for the tinkerers, rust for the pros.
Sounds like 50 Cent to me.
A little bit of.
Rolling release, always up.
A little bit.
Efficiencies in our hands ain't this great.
Okay, let me clean up a couple more things about this thing too.
This is 21 answers, 21 truths. Arch Linux, baby, always breaking through. Ride the command line, make your own moves. Confidence grows, Arch Linux
melting ice, depressed, holding a very warm Coca-Cola.
Safety's the key, memory leaks, not with this G. Concurrency handled, but thinking just right. Systems programming is the future in sight. Rust in the mix,
Stop. I just need all the way.
memory leaks, not with this G. Concurrency handled, but thinking just right. Systems programming.
Salesman selling ice to a polar bear.
Reasons Arch Linux the slave. Hack with precision, a system so clean. Rolling updates, it's a techie stream. Custom to the core, not a distro the same. Pac-Man the hero in the software game. DIY the mantra, build what you need.
Okay, cool. So now
Where ideas can breed. 21
we've got this isolation section.
Arch Linux, baby, always breaking through. Ride the command line, make your own moves. Confidence grows, Arch Linux improves. Rust in the mix, safety's the key. Memory leaks, not with this G. Concurrency handled, thread syncing just right. Systems programming's the future in sight. Rust in the mix, safety's the key. Memory leaks, not with this G. Concurrency handled, thread syncing just right. Systems programming's the future in sight. Rust and Arch, power duo and strive. From source to binary, take us for a ride. Loving this journey, both customized, optimized flows, watching it rise. Arch for the tinkerers, rest for the pros. Flexible setup where performance shows. Rolling release, always up.
It's not about the vegan bods, it's about the AI friends you made along the way.
It's true. Okay, audio file path. The name. I don't know. We gotta name it something. Because this is not this. We're not gonna call it this way. We're gonna call it some other way. But I'm just gonna do it. I'll just do something right now. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Expected value of URL. URL is important though. There we go. Right? Dreaming in 3 dimensions. Now, if I go down here, it's trying to call it isolated whatever file name. So we'll see how this thing save in the whatever spot. It's a sad song. I want to take this Field of Dreams speech. Try this one. Even though he's not Garrett.
Sad snowman.
Alright, this is too sad. I'm going to say isolation in that YouTube link. It does indeed be downloading it, which is a nice sign. And we'll see if we get a
night TV show.
We'll see if we get an isolated.
That's a smile, AI.
Hey, what's up? Say download, play that, go here. If I look at Ranger here, do I have something called isolated inside of here? Or where would I have saved that? It says air. Okay, cool. Failed to isolate voice 404. Great. So that's a good one though. That's a good error though. So I bet you I went here and it says audio isolation. That's got to be not the API. Delete a sample. Audio, is it dash? Did I do an underscore? Yep, exactly. Old dumb Began. Old dumb Began. Grab that real quick. Restart that. Come here. Oh yeah, finally some Sun O songs. Oh, I said the O. It's embarrassing, but we have to. Okay, come on. Finish. And I'm going to say isolation. Okay. And I'm going to go back to this isolation attempt. And I'll watch the errors this time. It's downloading it. It's downloading it. It's already been downloaded. Great. It's doing some stuff. It says error. And it said failed to isolate voice 400 this time. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit better of a message than just a 400. We're saying status. What else can I get on this thing here, okay? Can you help a brother out? Can I go here and go like this and then go here and say response dot text? I'm down to wait. Let's have something in it. Can I do that? Can I do that? That don't impress me much. Let's say download. I run that.
Just for fun.
Just for fun. I go here. I do isolation. We see what's going on with that. While that's happening, I go up here. I grab this ID out.
It's all coming out live.
Man, I feel like a woman.
Man, I feel like a woman. It says, okay, great, got the error. Okay, it says, we currently only accept audio with a minimum duration of 4.6 seconds. Okay, there you go. So that's the problem. Okay. No big deal. So let's go back to here. And we need to go back here and say isolate voice. Download with YouTube DLP.
You're still the one, vegan bot.
Can I
Why them prices so high again?
They just go up. I don't control them. Remember, here's a flash sale. Hopefully it's the right one. Romcom.
Flash sale! Romcom trailer. New low price. 100.
Okay, so real quick. What I'm doing from YouTube DLP,
Who bought all this stuff?
I can split it at the end, right? But also there's a better way of doing this. So right here, here's me segmenting it. But I'm just going to ask my friend Jippity. I'm going to say, take the first how to take the first 4.6 seconds of an audio file with FPEG. Also, wow, we're really not getting songs right now. They're mad at us. Let's see if the old ones work. Because we didn't listen to all the best songs here. Back to here. Because the one that I thought was really good is this one.
Cocky band.
Oh, could be. There we go. That's better.
En la sierra un brillo extraño, un editor con corazón, violín, luz de 1000 años.
In a world where the only thing hotter than a sizzling Frieza taco is the budding friendship between an AI taco and an AI hamburger. An unlikely pairing, as they were both designed to make you salivate, not swoon. Will their love be as fulfilling as a loaded Frieza taco, or will it all end in a messy breakup? One thing's for sure, this is one pairing that'll have you saying, "Let us discuss our feelings."
Look at that. Very cool. The only problem is what's up, Daddy Shrek? Let's see.
Generate a 190000 word story
Nice.
about a chicken who bought them. Once upon a time,
Ah!
a man named Cluckus decided
Ah!
to spread his wings for wheels and bought himself a shiny go-kart. Zooming through the streets, he met a sleek silver go-kart named Speedy. Sparks flew, engines roared, and before he knew it, Cluckers was head over wheels in love. Together, they raced through town, leaving a trail
Cluckers.
of feathers and burnt rubber. A chicken and a go-kart, an odd couple for sure, but a love story unlike any other.
Would you lose yours with me?
Okay.
You made me wanna melt like water in the pain.
Okay, let me just see real quick. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna say,
Knowing I'm your man, so let's spend some time.
As strange as it may seem, the historical record tells an incredible story of how Corporal Morptop accidentally saved the lives of 50 workers in a textile factory fire. It all happened while he was practicing unhooking a stolen bra.
Colonel Morptop. Can you tell Twitch death through a monkey riding an e-bike down a volcano? Sure. It's propaganda posters right now. That's better. Okay, let's see if we can play a song again or we're gonna get in trouble, okay? I'll wait for this rom-com trailer. It got too cheap. Okay, so
In a world where AI ninjas roam free, one unlikely hero emerges. Meet Chicken Nugget, the most fearless chicken in all the land. With a beak of steel and feathers of justice, Chicken Nugget embarks on a quest to save the farm from an army of rogue robots. Along the way, Chicken Nugget discovers the true power of friendship and loyalty. Get ready for a clucking good time in this epic tale of bravery, love, and the quest for the perfect worm.
okay, so watch this. Now I'm going to take this input file, which is going to be the audio file path. Oh, okay.
In a world where zero-point energy is more elusive than a reliable Wi-Fi connection, scientists are like romantic poets, dreaming of tapping into the limitless power of the vacuum. But just like a Tinder date with a theoretical physicist, the laws of physics continue to play hard to get. Will humanity crack the code and unlock the secrets of ZPE? Or will we be forever stuck in a cosmic dance of maybes and what-ifs? Tune in to find out if love truly conquers all,
Okay.
or just particles and waves.
It's interesting. Yeah, Tinder date, not good. Okay, real quick. That jerk. Look what you did, you little jerk. Hey, I just gutted me. Let's say download. Let's see if isolation works now. 10 times the charm. I need to go find the isolation. 4 seconds if isolation sucks. That means I'd have to download the file, split it into 4 seconds, What? Oh, the minimum duration. I read it wrong. I'm doing it wrong. I'm getting 1 second of audio. I must be doing the wrong audio. Here, wait a minute. I bet you have the wrong audio. Here we go. Let me grab out. Here's Stalin. So I did it stupid. Well, my cropping gonna break it, but let's see what this one says. Downloading. Okay, I gotta get this overriding that. Invalid audio duration. We receive one is 108 seconds long. So I'm now making stuff real quick. Oh, I did. I fucking copied the wrong thing. I can see what I'm doing wrong. Watch this. I see what's going wrong. Okay. Free software. Isolation. Spelled correctly. Dude. Uh-huh. Okay, so they're saying temp clone Garrett wave is 1 second. Let's see what's going on here. Why is this so cursed? What is going on? Temp clone Garrett. Okay, I am downloading Garrett over and over again for some dumb reason. Because I'm naming it Garrett. Oh, maybe it's because that's the... Yeah, it is a naming issue, okay? I'm going to say test. I think I know the problem. It's not overriding, and I'm keep targeting the same 1 second file. Well, I built craft code that I don't even need here, okay? Come on. Finish. There we go. It looks better. Looks like it's running out. It's actually trying. It says deleted the original. Do we have a file that says isolation in the root of our directory? And are we still waiting for them? We're still waiting for them to return. So they should be. We should see them say, "Hey, this was successful or unsuccessful." Should give us something. We called a test. It might take a second for them to isolate. I gave them a what? How long of a clip? 6-minute clip. Come on. Are you going to work? Come on. Let's see. Quirky parody. Quirky parody. You know, you can't do Weird Al songs. That's he'll sue you.
Can't go with your mouse now.
Suno just liked it. Suno just liked it. Here's isolate voice. It would have said failed to isolate voice. We say write the path here. The file name, though, is the original audio file path plus isolated to it. Look at that curse my there it is, got it. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna pause real fast. This is isolated Richard Stallman, so I should be able to. Oh, this is great. This is good. We've isolated Richard Stallman. This is what it is now. Is he going to talk at all? What is this?
So, first of all, what is Ubuntu?
No, it did work. It just
Ubuntu
it's the silent part.
Is
so I could use this to actually clone his
GNU
voice.
Plus Linux system.
Okay, GNU Plus. It's working. GNU Plus Linux
distribution.
Not bad. Okay, cool. So isolation works. It's going to save a lot of our cloning stuff. But I think we got to end right there. Sorry, everyone. Sorry, it's time to end because I'll be back tomorrow. We made some progress. Yeah, he's a quiet guy. He's a little quiet boy here. So let's send a little raid out there, and Queso. Wait. I'm just chatting. Wrong one. I was like, why is queso in the top of software? Cheers, my friend. Hey, later, Dashin. Boom. Okay, cool. We'll be back. I mean, we made progress. We got everyone working. Let's ask God one last question here, okay? How do I get the confidence to stream again tomorrow? And we're playlists are closer. Okay, while we're looking for someone to raid here. We got a little Python ADHD programming. That might be something. Chrissy Codes. What else we got? We got someone. Wait, they're building a rogue. No, that says I am's rogue. That's not what that is. Let me add an English chat on here. Shania song in the Discord house. Don't worry, we save every single song. Every single song is always here. It never ever goes away. We got a furry VTuber. Do. We got Corrupted Goblins. Aussie Linux Godot. The Godot. That might be the move. This is with Golang. Okay, we'll do Chrissy Codes. I don't think I know Chrissy, but apologize to Chrissy for raiding with the chaos that we have. Also, where's God? I need God to show up right now. Okay, are you being? Okay, God is being. Please, God. I'm not going to trigger the raid until you give me some advice. Okay, and then we will be back tomorrow. Voice isolating, we're pretty close on it. If we just get the voice isolating work back, we can start cloning people a little bit faster. We did separate out people into
Believe in yourself, dear one.
Thank you.
Remember, you are a shining star,
Thank you.
unique and full of light.
Thank you.
Embrace your passion and share your joy with the world.
I will.
Trust in your abilities. Take a deep breath and let your authenticity shine through.
Thank you.
You've got this.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. With that, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Goodbye.